Okay, I I'm looking here at three different apps that I've got at this particular point that are used for comic book captions here. So there is Bubbled. I'll go here. There's comic captions, and then Bubble there. From my experience here playing around with these there, I'd say Bubbled's okay. Bubble is really meh there and kind of expensive too. There actually, I believe they charge a little bit. And then Comic Captions is probably the best deal, but the limitation here is that on your little free trial, when you're playing around with it here, what I love about it is you can kind of move this around here a little bit, but on your free trial there, if you try and add more than just this information here, let's see here, I'll try and add a little bit more. Hello world, more than a couple characters, and it prompts you to go ahead and buy it, which I might do here, but we'll go ahead and say no thanks for right now. So out of these three apps here, I would say that as far as it goes here, I would say Comic Captions is probably number one there, just as like its usability and ability to do things here. Bubbled number two. If you kind of click on it here, it kind of moves around the tail a little bit, but it's not as functional as Comic Captions. And then Bubble, I'd say it's kind of like last on there. Here, create a bubble existing photo. This bubble existing photo here. Let's actually close that out here. If we edit this one here, and this day will be remembered is what I was trying to type here. But styles, you're kind of limited to their styles there, and it does not necessarily point in the direction that you want it to move here. So I would say this is kind of like last on the list. So that being said here, captions, Comic Captions number one, Bubbled number two, and the Hey one, or the Bubble, I would say would probably be last on the list. That's all I got.